Okay. But this is my brief introduction because lack of space. We are taking up a problem for JEE Advanced Mathematics. It is that appeared in 2020. What it says that a rectangle lies in the region. Region is described as x less than or equal to pi by 2 greater than or equal to 0 and y is less than or equal to 2 sine 2x greater than or equal to. This is the reason, and we have to find the area of what we have to find area of rectangle which has the maximum perimeter. So let us understand this curve. This is difficult. Okay, the challenges of our understanding. Sine of curve is like this. This maximum and minimum values goes from +1 to -1. Okay, but once it is being multiplied by 2, this maximum value will be going over to, this is pi here and it is 2 pi. This will be, maximum value will change to +2 and this will go to -2 and this will remain. We are talking about 2 sine x, not 2 sine 2x. So this will remain as pi and 2 pi. The maximum values will be changing between +2 and -2. But now our curve is different. It is 2 sine 2x. Now once we are multiplying it by 2x, then what it will achieve? At x equal to pi by 2, this value will become pi. So our curve will be this now. The main issue in this problem is understanding this will become plus pi by 2 here and this will be plus minus 2. It is +2. This is not showing proportional, but in mathematics we can assume anything. So instead of this, see, the change here was at pi and 2 sine 2x, the change is at pi by 2 only. Okay, we suppose we are comfortable because audio space is video space, so I am in a bit hurry. Okay, now what it is saying, the area of a rectangle. This curve is symmetrical. Okay, so we are drawing a rectangle. What is the base? Suppose this is point A and B. Now lot of symmetry is there. Suppose this distance is x and this total distance is pi by 2. Now we have suppose we have understood it. This distance is x, then this distance will be also x. So this base AB will be pi by 2 minus 2x. I hope it is clear. What is this height here? Height will follow the same equation, y equal to 2 sine 2x. Now what perimeter will be equal to twice base plus height. Now base is 2 multiplied by pi by 2 minus 2x. This is the base. Twice of this will be added 2 times and height is 2 sine 2x. Now this is perimeter P and we have to differentiate with respect to x. Now let us see and put it equal to 0 for maximum as a condition of maximum and minimum. What it will give? -2 plus sine x, differentiation is cos x, and for 2 into 2, that is 4 cos 2x, and this is being put equal to 0. So we get 4 cos 2x minus 2 equal to 0, or 2 cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos 2x equal to 1 by 2. That is cos 2x equal to 1 by 2. It means 2x equal to pi by 3, 60 degree. It means x is pi by 6. We have now found out the condition for maximum perimeter. Now it is easy for us to find the area. What is the area? Base into height. What is the base? Pi by 2 minus 2x into height is 2 sine 2x. 2x is pi by 3 now because it is, now you see, pi by 2 minus 2 into pi by 6 into 2 sine pi by 3. This becomes pi by 6 into 2 sine 2x. This is sine 2x root 3 by 2. This is 2, 3, sorry. 3, and this gets cancelled out, becomes root 3. So pi by 2 root 3. This is the area of the rectangle with the all the properties that we are asking, that maximum perimeter. So now I was introducing, because lack of space in video. Rajiv Goyam from NIT Surat Kal. Now I'm very old, 57 year age nearly. So this is me. I have been teaching for a pretty long time. Earlier in engineering college in Dr. K. N. Modi. There I was head of department. Okay, fine. So I have tried to explain.